Managing a commercial or residential property portfolio is no small feat. Between tenant expectations, vendor coordination, code compliance, and tight schedules, property managers are juggling more than ever. When it comes to generator services, the last thing you need is another headache. That's where Weld Power Generator comes in. We've built our business around being the kind of generator contractor that property management professionals can rely on completely. From the first service call to the final sign-off, we make it easy, compliant, and worry-free. Weld Power Generator has over 75 years of hands-on experience working with generators of all sizes and configurations, from small standby units at residential communities to large mission-critical systems at commercial complexes and mixed-use developments. Our technicians are trained, certified, and up to date on the latest equipment requirements. We understand that property management companies often oversee multiple sites with varying equipment. Our team is equipped to assess, service, and document each property's unique needs, giving you a reliable partner who knows your portfolio, not just a one-time vendor who shows up and disappears. When you work with Weld Power Generator, you're not just hiring a technician, you're gaining a proactive partner. We handle the full life cycle of your generator needs so you never have to wonder if something was missed. Scheduled preventative maintenance programs tailored to manufacturer specs and site requirements. Load bank testing to verify your generator will perform when it matters most. 24/7 emergency response for unexpected failures because outages don't keep business hours. Fluid sampling, oil, coolant, and fuel to identify potential issues before a failure. Fuel polishing to ensure your generator runs effectively and avoid failure. Automatic transfer switch service to keep your equipment ready at all times. End-to-end repair and parts sourcing, so you're never waiting on someone else to find a solution. Remote monitoring to alert you of any alarms or issues that arise. Rental equipment if your equipment needs repairs. You set the priorities. We handle the execution. It's that simple. Generator compliance is a serious matter. Life safety codes, NFPA 110 requirements, local authority having jurisdiction mandates, and insurance standards all intersect when it comes to standby power systems. Falling short can mean failed inspections, fines, or worst case, a generator that doesn't work during an actual emergency. At Weld Power Generator, compliance isn't an afterthought, it's built into everything we do. We stay current on all applicable codes and regulations, so you don't have to worry. Every service visit includes documentation that supports your compliance records and will flag any issues before they become violations. When your property is due for an inspection, we'll have you covered. One of the most common frustrations property management companies have with contractors is the communication gap. Waiting on callbacks, not knowing if work was completed or receiving vague invoices that don't tell the whole story. We've made it a core part of our service to do things differently. With Weld Power Generator, you can expect prompt responses to service requests, so you're never left wondering about status. Clear scope of work explanations before any job begins. Detailed service reports after every visit, including findings, work performed, and any recommendations. Proactive outreach when we identify an issue that needs your attention. Our goal is to make you feel informed and in control without requiring you to micromanage us. We know that most professional property management companies operate through a variety of vendor management and compliance platforms. We're experienced with onboarding and operating through these systems and understand the administrative requirements that come with them. Weld Power Generator maintains all required documentation to meet vendor credentialing standards. We submit invoices correctly, on time, and in the format your system requires, minimizing back and forth and keeping your AP process running smoothly. We know your time is valuable, and we respect that by handling the administrative side with the same professionalism we bring to the field. Over the years, Weld Power Generator has had the privilege of building lasting relationships with some of the most respected names in the property management industry. We have worked with nationally recognized firms including JLL, CBRE, Greystar, Cushman & Wakefield, Willowbridge, Nexus, and many more. These aren't one-time transactions. They are ongoing partnerships built on consistent performance, clear communication, and a deep understanding of what large-scale property management operations require. These companies operate at the highest level, and their continued trust in Weld Power Generator reflects our commitment to delivering the same quality and professionalism on every job, at every property, every time. When the biggest players in the industry rely on you, the standard is high, and we wouldn't have it any other way. Property management companies who work with Weld Power Generator don't just get a contractor, they get a long-term partner who is invested in the performance and reliability of their properties. We take pride in building relationships based on trust, follow-through, and results. Whether you manage a single commercial building or a large portfolio of properties across multiple states, we'll tailor our service approach to fit your needs. Ask us about service agreements that provide predictable costs, priority scheduling, and comprehensive reporting across all of your sites.